Now the topic is electrophilic substitution reaction in case of furan, in case of 5-member heterocyclics. 5-member heterocyclics will undergo electrophilic substitution reaction because these 5-member heterocyclic compounds are pi electron rich, acts as a nucleophile, hence easily attacked by electrophile. Due to pi electron rich, all these are acts as a nucleophile, hence easily attacked by electrophile, hence undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Why the substitution reaction means in order to preserve the aromaticity, and all the aromatic compounds will undergo substitution instead of addition reaction. If electrophile will attack at C2 position, this is C2 position, what will happen? Then there is a formation. C2 position means here. This is C2 position. When the electrophile will attack here, then these 2 electrons are taken. These 2 electrons are taken by this carbon. Then these 2 electrons are shared with electrophile, shared with upcoming electrophile. Then there is a formation of positive charge here. Whenever the formation of positive charge in conjugation with pi bond, then there is a resonance structure, resonance formation. This pi electron will move. This pi electron is taken by this carbon and donates to this positive charge carbon. So double bond formation between this carbon. So whenever the electron taken by this carbon, then positive charge will form on this carbon. Formation of positive charge on this carbon. So what will happen? Now the formed positive charge again undergoes resonance with pi lone pair of electron present on oxygen atom. So this oxygen will donate lone pair to this atom. Then there is a formation of double bond. 3 resonance structure more stable. At C3 position, if it will attack at C3 position, this is C3 position. What will happen? Positive charge formed here only. Then this lone pair readily donates to this positive charged carbocation. So just 2 resonance form. So less stable. More resonance form, more stable. Less resonance form, less stable. More stable. This is more stable. This is less stable due to more number of resonance structure. Hence, all the 5-member rings like furano, thiophene, pyrrole will undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at C2 carbon. Either this side or this side. You can call it C2 same. This is C3 carbons. Electrophilic substitution reaction will undergo at this C2 position in case of furan, thiophene and pyrrole. But in case of indole, see the 5-member ring attached to the benzene, we can call as indole. This benzene ring will not undergo substitution reaction. Why means these pi electrons are there. These pi electrons are always in the continuous motion. This electron will move like in the continuous motion. When the electrons in the continuous motion, more stability. This compound is more stable in nature. So see, pi electrons will undergo resonance. So more amount of energy is required in order to move the electrons in the benzene ring. When the more energy is required for the movement of pi electrons, the atom is less stable. Why? More energy is required in order to move the electrons. When the electrons are moving in the continuous, the energy of the molecule is reduced due to continuous movement of electrons. So hence the benzene will not undergo substitution reaction compared to this 5-member ring due to more aromatic character and higher speed of electron movement in this case. That's why benzene will not undergo substitution reaction easily compared to this 5-member. In the 5-member, what will be the lone pair of electron present on oxygen? Here pi electron is there. Then there is a resonance happening in this case. Then what will happen? The electron's density increased on C3 carbon. Electron density is increased on C3 carbon. Whenever the more electron density, electrophile, this is negative charge. Electrophile having positive charge. There is a reaction between electrophile and this nucleophile. Then what will happen? Electrophile will attack at C3 carbon. Hence there is a electrophilic substitution reaction is possible at C3 carbon in case of indole. In case of 5-membered, only 5-membered furan, thiophene and pyrrole, C2 carbon. electrophilic substitution reaction is possible at C2 carbon due to more resonance structure. In case of indole, it is due to resonance, more electron density at C3 carbon. Hence, there is electrophilic substitution reaction is possible at C3 position in case of indole, but the benzene will not undergo substitution reaction compared to this 5-member ring because benzene is more aromatic, more stable. So it will not undergo reaction easily compared to the benzene.